So, jumping off the ferry at Le Havre, we didn't really have that much planned. We looked at the weather forecast, and the weather forecast was, well, it looked a little bit dodgy actually, quite predicted for high winds, a bit of rain. So we thought rather than heading for the coast, we'd head inland just to give us a little bit of protection, just in case it got a little bit windy. And we have arrived here. And this campsite is a lovely campsite. It is a little bit inland. It's about 4 kilometres from the coast. We are in Le Manche region of Normandy, which is the lower part of Normandy. So not far from the ferry. And here we are, parked up on our lovely plot. This campsite is in the grounds of an old chateau, beautiful old French chateau, and the chateau dates from around about the 15th century. It's been a campsite since the 1960s, and it shows. It's a very established campsite and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got lovely trees, it's got huge plots. This is our plot, and it's got water, electric, everything you could possibly need, and it's massive, as you can see. It's huge. We're all set up, we've got the awning out, we've just been keeping the little spots of rain off when it's been raining. I am not going up the tree house. I will show you the tree house though, because it's absolutely awesome. And the other thing we brought along with us this trip, which we've not had before, is the windbreak. We have had this windbreak for probably about 15 years, and we had it when we first had our first caravan. But it was far too big to fit in the campervan, so we've never used it. And then Bernie had this wonderful, amazing idea to literally just lob off the tops. And I cut this down, and now it fits beautifully into the campervan. So we're right impressed with ourselves. A little bit of a hash job, but it works great. And it's not one of those plasticky, rattly ones. I mean, we've got those, we've got a couple of those, but they're really noisy. Whereas this is the old cloth version, and it works great. So we're right happy with that. Okay, let me go and show you around a little bit of the campsite. I'm not going to take you around all of it because it's absolutely humongous, massive. It's acres and acres. What I will show you though is they have quirky things like this. In the old oak trees, they've got a couple of these absolutely massive tree houses, and they're fantastic. And there was a family up there last night with their kids, and you could hear they were having such a wonderful time. It was great. So if you fancy having a go in a tree house, get yourself down to this campsite. It is an axie campsite, out of season. These plots are costing us €20 a night. Over there they've got a bar, there's a TV room, there's a shop, all in the old chateau buildings. That's one of the sanitary blocks. It's not actually open at the moment because it's out of season. But the one just down here is. So not far to go. All these beautiful, huge trees and just birds everywhere. And that's the old chateau buildings just there that they've converted into different buildings. It's got 2 swimming pools. It's got an outdoor swimming pool that's heated. I've swam in it actually since we've been here, and it was absolutely fine, even though the weather was a little bit cool. And an indoor swimming facility that is huge. It's more of a kids' playing facility, really, with lots of water slides and splashy slides and things like that. So the kids will absolutely love it. And I've just had a look, there's nobody in, so we can have a quick look round into one of the sanitary blocks. So in the block you've got washers, dryers, washing up sinks, hot and cold water. You've got a little kiddie bath, a little kiddie loo, look at that. This is one of the smaller blocks, it's one that's open at the moment. You've got loos, and you've got showers. There we go, nice lovely showers, big showers, nice hooks. And you've got sinks. Woohoo! Yeah, oh I say. I look like a scarecrow. And Free hairdryer! Yay! Can't go wrong with a free hairdryer. So that is the toilet block, and it is absolutely pristinely clean, spotless. I mean spotless. Beautiful. And that's one of, I think there's 4 on this campsite. So plenty for everyone. Here's the little fishing lake that you can sit and fish in. And the sun is out, so I am going for a little dip in the pool. I'll see you when I get there. And here we are, look. Lovely outdoor pool, beautiful and clean. Just about ready for me to dive into. Heated to about 28 degrees. Let's get in. We're in! Let's go! Awesome! So this is where we've been for the last couple of days. We're quite happy trying different areas and different types of campsites. So this is obviously a campsite that is more internal rather than on the coast. And we've loved it. We'll be moving on tomorrow, so we'll be on to a different campsite tomorrow, and we'll see what we get tomorrow. Back to Bernie. Back to the van. You got the kettle on, Berno? Get a kettle on!